Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I don't know. I don't know why. Okay, I do know why. In my bag, right, in my work bag, I have a little pocket section, and for some reason, like, I just throw everything in there, like things that I just like, you know, things I don't want to forget, but I just put it inside. I have a lollipop in there, and for some reason that lollipop has just gone psh, and it's just given me this idea to do like Lollipop Girl. So I'm thinking really cotton candy pink look. Like, I don't know where I'm going with it, but I have a vision and I'm gonna try and create that vision. So I'm just gonna go with it. Let's just get the creative freedom out. I've been in a really like a proper unmotivated creative block for a very long time, and now I feel like I'm getting back into it. So I'm just gonna go with whatever I think of. I'm just gonna let it go through. So I'm going to start off with the Sample Beauty Paradigm Shift palette, and I'm going to start off with, I think I'm going to start off with this colour right here. Alright, starting off with that colour, I'm just going to go straight in. So where my socket is, I'm just going to make sure that this is basically all over here. We're gonna buff this out. We want this to go all the way out here. I'm just gonna sweep it on my eyelid as well, actually. But very lightly, just to give it like a quick, faint wash over the eyelids. Nothing too special. I'm gonna grab this colour right up here, and I'm just gonna slightly shade. So now I'm going to take the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Love Signs palette, and I am going to grab Scorpio up here, which is like a baby pink baked shadow. I'm going to grab some of that. I'm going to start in the centre, and then I'm just going to start buffing it out. I'm going to take some of that as well, the same Scorpio colour, put this under the arch of my eyebrow as well. I'm also going to put that on the inner corner. It's basically going everywhere. We're going with the pink theme, like for real, for real. Okay, so I'm going to try and be a little bit creative here. I'm going to take the Lottie London AM to PM kohl pencil in Sunburst, and I'm going to put this in my waterline. This is actually like a very shimmery gold, and you'll see next. Alright, so what I'm going to try now, I'm going to use this NYX Off Tropic Pro Liner in No Shade. I'm going to try and create the colour pink by mixing these two liners together. This is like an orangey red, and I don't really have a white, but I wanted something more like a glitter, so I'm just going to add this on top just to see what I can... Nope, it's just coming out straight up orange. Okay, well, we're going to mix it and see what we can do. Okay, so it'll just have to do for now. I mean, whatever. I tried my best. I thought I could be a little bit DIY creative. It didn't work out. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the original colour we started off with, and I'm going to brush this under my eyes. Okay, so now I'm going to take this product here, which I just bought it because it's so beautiful and I haven't actually used it. I actually was supposed to take this with me on holiday to put on my body, then I forgot. So I'm going to use this is the Rimmel Jelly Highlighter in 040 Shifty Shimmer. It's like a tongue twister. This basically is like the most beautiful pink holographic glittery jelly I've ever seen. So you can kind of see how it is. It's gorge, and I'm going to try some of this. And I'm just going to pat it on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to put on the Lash Queen Honey Lashes, which are a very natural pair of lashes. Check them out. Here's the link in the back. Go support and tell them I sent you. So I'm going to apply these off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyes are done. I'm going to go in with a blush. This is the Morphe 8C Cool Pro blush palette, and I'm going to take the colour 3, which is like a shimmery pink, and I'm really going to pack this on. We're going to go a little bit avant-garde, more like Korean inspired, with the really, really, really flushed, rosy, bright cheeks. We're going to go with that. So I'm going to grab some of this, and we're going to just build it up. More in this section because I want it more up here, and I want it on the temples as well, so kind of that it like connects like this. I'm thinking of it more like a blush, a blonde tool, a blush contour. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that same colour and I'm going to put it on my nose. Okay, so I've got a big fluffy brush here. I'm going to start off with the same jelly highlighter. I'm going to grab some of that on my little fluffy brush. I'm going to wipe some of that. I'm kind of going to blend it into the brush so it's not stiff into the brush, so it doesn't have like a sharp edge. I'm just going to kind of like buff it into the brush itself. And I'm going to start here at the top of my cheekbones. To be honest, my idea was to make this entire thing highlighted in this jelly, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to brush it towards the temple area as well, like patting it down. So now from the angle you kind of see it on the blush as well. I'm going to grab a little bit more of that jelly and just slightly use it on my nose as well as highlight. My cupid's bow as well, and a little on my chin. I'm going to use the lip liner by MUA in TLC. This is their Intense Colour Lip Liner. Okay, so I'm going to use the Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Sunset Crush. I'm just going to apply this on top. Like that. So this is the look. It's kind of come together. This is exactly what I had pictured, but I completely forgot that I bought this. Basically, it's like this see-through fur robe. And it just goes with the look. And in my view, my TV, where I can see myself, it's pretty darn decent. And I'm quite happy with it. So yeah, this is the look. This is something that I thought of and I brought it to life, and I kind of dig it. I'm kind of feeling myself. I'm digging this. Who would have thought like a lot of blush kind of looks kind of cute? Like, so this is the look. If you guys did enjoy that, it was something crazy and different. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.